Hi, my name is Eric, and after the 2008 housing market crash, I accidentally ended up becoming a landlord, and I've been buying and rehabbing rental houses ever since. In November of 2019, I quit my dream job and became a full-time real estate investor. Truth is, I rarely know what I'm doing, things usually go wrong, and I'm always stressed and on the edge of a meltdown. Fortunately, me and my investor friends are always taking on new projects, and there's always something exciting, outrageous, or just plain disgusting to share.
What's today? Friday? Shit, man. Monday. I don't have money. Monday. I'll pay you. See you later, man.
Hey everybody, it's Eric here, and I'm at another set of apartment complexes doing a little walkthrough. This is some friends of mine that bought this, and it's been a mess with water drainage issues all throughout. These units are all gutted, and man, there's a lot of work to be done right here. Let's take a little walkthrough through this this lower unit right here at the entryway for you guys to see a little bit about what's going on. I've been told that the ceiling had dropped in the center for about 5 inches, and they've had to jack it back up. As you can see here, they've put 3 of these. They're putting up these LVLs, tripling up some LVLs up there together, and raise the ceiling back up. There's a lot of studs in here that they've had to sister and replace due to termite damage. There's a ton of water entry over here, so they're gonna excavate that down and change how the water is flowing, the draining. Look at this one stud. Can you see that? Look down here. There's nothing left to it. That is wild. And as you can see over here, it's like the outside is lower or higher. I'm sorry, higher than the interior, and so water's just draining in. Look how much higher the outside is than the inside right here. So water's just draining in, and it's just flooding these units. Anyways, it's going to be an exciting project. I'm going to try and come back out here a couple times and show you guys some updates as they get work done. It's going to be absolutely wild. Got some.
Yeah. But we're doing them all the same with the header here.
Yeah.
And then the LVLs, 3 or 4 LVLs here, and then triple up. Probably put 2 more
Yeah,
on
look
each
how
side.
bowed that one is. This is just insane.
Yeah.
We ran camera in these sewer lines, and we couldn't get the camera to go because it's, you know, these units have been vacant for a long time, and the toilet flange have been open, so crap has been going in there. I'm telling this guy, he's like, well, just run the camera, we can flush it and fix what's needed. I'm like, well, all of my plumbing is on the outside wall. The only thing I have here is one toilet. I'm like, cut the concrete, dig it up, and just put brand new sewer lines. Instead of messing with the old stuff, right? Because I don't have any plumbing anywhere else. I just have plumbing here. And then I have the kitchen, I have the laundry room, and I have 2 bathrooms upstairs, which is right here. So we're just doing it. So we're cutting everything. He's cutting about 5 units per day.
5 of these units.
I bought him a quick saw.
No kidding.
Concrete, let's go.
I gotta hold the camera higher. You're too tall, bro. Wow, what a project to check out today. Over here with my friend's brand new apartment complex. Well, it was brand new at some point, but they've ripped the crap out of everything here because of water damage. Completely stripped the interior, all of the sheetrock, not just some of the sheetrock, but all of the sheetrock out of all the units. And they got so many projects going on here at once, I can't even keep up with it, right? So they're tearing out the parking lot. They're redoing all these studs in here, like anything that's damaged, sagged, the ceiling. They're putting up these LVLs, tripling up some LVLs up there. Man, they're just doing everything. It's almost like new construction, but worse, actually, probably worse. We got some water drainage issues out here. Let's see if we can see that. So where the ground in the back is above the height of the slab in these apartments, and so they're having to dig all that out.
My friend, this is the concrete guy. You want to be in the video? Here's the concrete guy right here. Oh, no, hey. That's Tino. Let me do a video for the guy. He said he wants to see it. You see this concrete retaining wall, Eric? 600 feet, 4 feet up. Hey, if you do a concrete wall, I learned this, that's more than 4 feet. You have to get an engineer to design it. So what we did is we did a concrete wall here, retaining wall. It's 3 feet 11 inches. So we don't have to do anything there. They're pouring the footing over there. Hey,
So what is this, week 2? Week 3?
Week 3.
Week 3. You want to tell me about yesterday real quick?
Well, what?
The day before. Your fire department.
The fire. Yeah, the foundation guy hit a gas line. And there comes this guy from the Oklahoma, what do you call it? Oklahoma Corporation Commission, Pipeline Safety. Who's the owner? Who's the superintendent? I need to talk to them right now. I need to find out the OK 811 call before you dig nothing. About shit in my pants. I told the guy, and I'm like, is someone going to jail? I need to call my wife. He's like, nah, no one's going to jail. You guys did good. You got your permits. You called it. Because we called it in 4 or 5 times. And the guy didn't mark it, but he marked it on his books as marked. So he got in trouble.
Wow.
From the marking company. So man, it's crazy because you have to. Because he could have shut us down for a month until they investigate who's gonna get this bill.
Right.
He hit a 4-inch gas line.
Dang.
The guy comes in here and he's like, man, you guys are lucky because one of these buildings would have been history.
Yeah.
Survived another day, man. Today the foundation guys hit a gas line. So we're shut down probably for the day until they figure out how to cut the gas off. We did mark the lines, but the area was not marked. This is where they hit the gas line this morning. We had the line marked, but they failed to mark here. So the company that does the marking will have to foot the bill. Foundation. We figured out the gas situation. We're in foundation. Here. Video.
Take it to the point of refusal and it'll start lifting when it hits the bedrock. Normally in this area, 8 to 12 feet.
How long is one?
10.
10 feet.
Sometimes you gotta add,
weld it.
I use a screwdriver. Then when I get it down, I get it up where I want it, I weld it. That's one of the hardest parts.
anyways, it's gonna be an exciting project. I'm gonna try and come back out here a couple times and show you guys some updates as I get work done. It's gonna be absolutely wild. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching my very first YouTube video. I'm just a regular guy that runs into all kinds of random crazy stuff that I'm doing or maybe my friends are doing. I walk into hundreds of houses every year that have all kinds of crazy issues, from roaches to dead animals to just disgusting, rotting food to crazy smells and all kinds of weird stuff in them. If you enjoy watching the randomness of that, please hit like and subscribe. I'll try to continue to bring you more entertaining videos as well as some great value and content on being a landlord, tips and tricks for real estate investing. Looking forward to bringing you a lot more content in the future. Until the next time, it's like 2 a.m. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.